if you don't like the answers that are given to you, then you should probably go back and reframe the questions. And that's what I try for my art to do, is to zoom out and reframe how the question is asked.
You see, tourism is an economy of memory that reveals only a singular facet of time. So there are things even ghosts can't know. Perhaps you two could help me remember this story.
I do come to moving image from a background rooted in painting and sculpture, or more so traditional so-called material art forms or tactile art forms. One of the conditions of domestic cinema is working with the resources at hand, working with what's available in my environment, what is willing to participate.
These are only the highlights.
The garden kind of has its own sense of time and exists outside of the will of the people who tend to it.
The details are complex and appear everywhere throughout the story. You may want to excuse me for this because the past is painful and hasn't healed yet.
Succulent cuttings ripe with cool gel I spread over my hands and fingers. Cinema is a cool gel that glosses over my eyes.
When I collaborate with my friends and my family, yeah, sure, sometimes you see it on the screen or sometimes you see it in the gallery, but most of the times you don't see that at all. And I actually think that that's what's really important. I think that hopefully someone who encounters my work can feel it rather than see it. This is where some of the most subversive parts of being an artist or making art is. And that is just between the memories of the people who were involved in its production